You can take photos with your voice on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now to do that, all you have to do is launch the camera app. And once you launch the camera app, simply tap on this arrow at the top here. Then from the options that come down below here, simply select Settings. And under Settings, you want to scroll down and select Shooting Methods. So tap on Shooting Methods, and you should see Voice Shooting. Now you want to toggle on this option, and once you toggle it on, your camera will automatically take photos when you say capture, shoot, or cheese. Now this will apply to both the front camera and the back camera, so let's give that a try. Shoot. There you go. So let me try it with something else. Capture. Cheese. And there you go. So that's basically how to take photos with your voice on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.